What company insurance do you need if you are self-employed? To make sure you have the right insurance cover, you first need to think about the typical risks which entrepreneurial activity in your line of business will bring with it. For each individual risk, ask yourself, what impact could it have? How expensive could it be? Could it threaten my livelihood? Use a ready-made checklist or prepare one yourself to classify risks as high, moderate or low. The rule of thumb is that high risks and risks that pose a threat to your livelihood should be insured. You can normally bear the cost of low risks yourself. Each company faces both general and specific operating risks, depending on its line of business, product range or service portfolio. The best thing is to talk to an industry association or insurance agent, or conduct research on the internet to find out about typical risks in your industry and what insurance options are available. When comparing insurance policies, please do so very carefully, paying close attention to annual notice periods, premiums, and what precise risks are covered. Please note, many industry associations offer their members special rates for insurance. Membership can thus give you access to group discounts and save you money. Certain forms of insurance are compulsory. If you employ any staff, you will have to take out statutory accident insurance for them. But it is also important to check whether you require cover for yourself in your specific industry. What are the main risks in most cases, and how can you insure them? For entrepreneurs starting a business, corporate and/or professional liability insurance is one of the most important forms of insurance, as every company is liable for damages to third parties. Please note, it often takes time to have insurance policies made out, so make sure you get written confirmation of cover from the date of your application. For certain occupations, this is a precondition for a license to operate. In many cases, the equipment in your business premises and your goods and inventories account for the lion's share of your company assets. Content and building insurance might therefore be advisable to cover against losses due to fire, water or theft. On the website of the Munich Business Startup Office, you will find more detailed information on the subject of insurance. And remember, the best protection is always to recognize and contain risks in advance. Prevention is better than cure and will save you money. Okay, got that?